This is a tour of a 2-bedroom townhouse unit, unfurnished, at Mill Street Village. So we walk in, the kitchen is right to our right here. We do provide a stove and oven, a dishwasher, a microwave. There is a garbage disposal in the sink, and the full-size fridge also has an ice maker in it. There is a kitchen bar that looks out into the living room. You have a spacious living room with in-wall heat and AC, so it does not block your view out the window there. And the kitchen bar there, so you can pull up stools if you'd like to use that as your dining area. There is extra storage under the steps here in a closet. It does have its own light. But you've got quite a bit of storage in here as it goes back under the steps. As we head upstairs to see the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom, there is a linen closet at the top of the stairs. The first, slightly larger of the 2 bedrooms, although they're quite similar, has its own heat and AC up here. Each bedroom has independent heat and AC in wall, so you can keep it whatever temperature you like in each of the bedrooms. There is a built-in desk with a lamp in the larger bedroom, and it has its own closet. The second bedroom is just slightly smaller. It's about a foot narrower, so you still have a fair bit of space in here. Separate heat and AC. And the closet here actually goes back above the steps, so there's more storage than it at first appears. All right. And lastly, the bathroom, which is in between the 2 bedrooms. So you have a full-size tub, toilet, sink with a vanity. And that is the tour of the 2-bedroom townhouse. So head back down the steps and return to the front door.